Hey guys, and in today's video, let's do a battery test of Insta360 Go 2 and see how much battery life you can get out of this camera. So in this video, I'm going to do 4 different battery tests and I'm going to use basic video mode and pro video mode, recording with and without the charging case. Okay, so first, let's set our camera to basic video mode. This setting applies the basic in-camera stabilization, so it doesn't have horizon leveling, etc. But you can quickly share your video to social media. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So Insta Go 2 has turned off now, so let's check the temperature. And it's around 38 degrees Celsius. Now the only way for me to truly check how much battery life is still in that camera is to connect to Insta360 app on my phone. Okay, it's connected. Now let's go to settings and let's see. Yeah, as you see, Insta Go 2, after recording in video mode for like 22 or 23 minutes, has around 0% of battery life. Okay, and now let's set our camera to pro video mode. Honestly, this is my best feature because you can set your camera to the best image stabilization, which is flow state, have horizon leveling, and you can adjust your aspect ratio in post-production. This mode is simply better all around, and the only downside to it is that if you want to use a video, you have to export it using, for example, Insta360 software on your PC. Okay, so it seems that Insta Go 2 got overheated, it turned off, definitely stopped recording, so let's check its temperature really fast. And it's gonna be 38 degrees. And it seems that after 20 minutes of recording in Pro Video, Insta Go 2 on its own got 0% of battery life. Okay, so let's come back to basic video mode, but this time let's put our Insta360 Go 2 inside of the multi-use charging case. This case is going to constantly charge your camera while recording a video, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so even though Insta Go 2 has still some battery in its multi-charger case, it turned off, so apparently it's got overheated. Okay, and lastly, let's set our camera to Pro Video mode this time and use it with charging case. So after only 10 minutes of recording, Insta360 Go 2 got overheated and I had to simply stop the recording, so that's pretty surprising. Anyway, the camera is really hot to the touch and I think it's better for me to remove it out of its case so it can cool off. I just quickly opened the Insta360 app on my phone and as you notice, Go 2 has still a full battery, so it simply got overheated in Pro video mode after only 10 minutes. Okay, so as you just seen, the battery life of Insta360 Go 2 isn't that long. I would say it's a really tiny action camera that has only like 1100 mAh battery. I would say that Go 2 on its own, when it's not in a multi-use charging case, is great for our quick recording session. When you simply record a quick video and then put it back into the charging case, throw it into your bag or into your pocket and let it recharge. It doesn't take that long, but you have to wait for like 20 or 30 minutes before it's fully recharged. So with that being said, if you want to use Insta360 Go 2 for much longer, like for example on a trip, it's much better to use it with a multi-use charging case. The camera gonna be plugged into a power source and you record with it for like 110 minutes officially, but as you seen in my video, overheating can be an issue. Because there is simply not enough airflow and the camera is constantly charging. So the best thing that you can do about it is to simply record short clips over a long period of time. This way your camera is not gonna overheat. And when you need it for like another perspective, let's say a POV shot, you can quickly take it out of the case and use it. And this way your battery gonna be fully charged. Okay guys, so I just hope that this video was informative and that you learned something from it. As I said, the battery life on Insta360 Go 2 isn't that great, but I guess this camera is all about its small size and portability. So what do you think about it? Let me know about it in the comment section below, and for today's video that's it. If you liked that content and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, then all I can ask you is to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss all my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!